In the ever-evolving landscape of web development, React.js has cemented its position as a leading JavaScript library for crafting dynamic and interactive user interfaces. Developed by Facebook, React's component-based architecture, virtual DOM, and reusable components have revolutionized the way developers approach front-end development. Its widespread adoption and vibrant community have made it a cornerstone technology for countless websites and applications across the globe. As the digital world demands faster, smoother, and more responsive user experiences, React continues to evolve, introducing new features and enhancements to empower developers in building the next generation of web applications. React's popularity stems from its ability to simplify complex UI development into manageable components. This modular approach not only enhances code organization and maintainability, but also promotes reusability, accelerating development cycles. Furthermore, React's virtual DOM efficiently updates only the necessary parts of the actual DOM, resulting in significant performance gains and a smoother user experience. This focus on performance and developer experience has been a driving force behind React's continued evolution. With the release of React 18 in March 2022, the React team introduced a suite of powerful features aimed at enhancing performance, improving developer experience, and future-proofing the library for upcoming advancements in web development. React 18 marked a significant milestone in the library's journey, introducing groundbreaking concepts like concurrency to the forefront. This new version empowered developers to build even more responsive and efficient applications, addressing some of the long-standing challenges in front-end development. One of the key highlights of React 18 is its focus on concurrency. Concurrency, in the context of React, refers to the ability of the library to handle multiple tasks seemingly simultaneously. This is crucial for maintaining a fluid and responsive user interface, especially in applications dealing with heavy computations or data fetching. By allowing React to manage these tasks concurrently, developers can ensure that the user interface remains interactive and responsive, even when resource-intensive operations are underway in the background. Prior to React 18, updates to the user interface were rendered in a synchronous and blocking manner. This meant that if a long-running task was being executed, the entire UI would freeze until the task was completed, leading to a jarring and unresponsive user experience. Concurrency in React 18 addresses this limitation by allowing the rendering process to be interrupted, paused, resumed, or even abandoned entirely. This is achieved through the introduction of a new concept called concurrent rendering. With concurrent rendering, React can prioritize and manage multiple UI updates simultaneously without blocking the main thread. This means that while a complex component is being rendered in the background, the user can still interact with other parts of the application without experiencing any lag or unresponsiveness. This ability to handle multiple tasks concurrently is a game changer for building highly dynamic and responsive web applications. In earlier versions of React, state updates triggered within the same event loop would often result in multiple re-renders, even if the updates were related. This unnecessary re-rendering could lead to performance bottlenecks, especially in complex applications with frequent state changes. React 18 addresses this issue with the introduction of automatic batching. Automatic batching is a mechanism where React groups multiple state updates triggered within the same event loop into a single re-render cycle. This means that if multiple state updates occur within a short span of time, React will consolidate these updates and perform a single re-render, rather than re-rendering for each individual update. This significantly reduces the number of DOM manipulations and improves the overall rendering performance of the application, resulting in a smoother and more efficient user experience. Section 5. Transitions, a smooth user experience. React 18 introduces the concept of transitions to further enhance the user experience by distinguishing between urgent and non-urgent UI updates. Urgent updates, such as typing in an input field or interacting with a slider, require immediate feedback to feel natural and responsive. Non-urgent updates like visual transitions or fetching data in the background can be handled with a slight delay without affecting the user's perception of responsiveness. Transitions in React 18 allow developers to categorize updates based on their urgency. Urgent updates are prioritized and rendered immediately, ensuring that the user interface feels snappy and responsive. Non-urgent updates, on the other hand, are marked as transitions and are rendered when the browser has idle time, preventing them from interfering with user interactions or causing janky animations. This fine-grained control over update priority ensures a smooth and seamless user experience, even in applications with complex UI interactions and animations. Section 6. Suspense, bridging the gaps. Suspense, a feature introduced in earlier versions of React, receives significant enhancements in React 18, further improving the handling of asynchronous operations and data fetching. Suspense allows components to wait for something, such as data from an API, before rendering. This is particularly useful for preventing loading states from blocking the entire application and for creating smoother, more user-friendly loading experiences. In React 18, suspense is enhanced to work seamlessly with both the client and server sides of an application. On the server side, suspense enables developers to send HTML for loading states while data is being fetched, resulting in faster page loads and improved perceived performance. On the client side, suspense allows components to delay rendering until all necessary data is available, preventing jarring transitions or incomplete data from being displayed to the user. These enhancements make suspense a powerful tool for managing asynchronous operations and creating seamless loading experiences in React applications. Section 7. New APIs, evolving the developer toolkit. React 18 introduces several new APIs to empower developers with more control and flexibility in managing their applications. One notable addition is the API, which replaces the older API for mounting React applications to the DOM. This new API provides better ergonomics and is designed to work seamlessly with React's new concurrent rendering capabilities. Another significant API introduced in React 18 is, this API is specifically designed for server-side rendering, or SSR, and allows developers to hydrate a server-rendered application on the client side, making it interactive and responsive. This API streamlines the process of building SSR-enabled React applications, improving their performance and SEO capabilities. Section 8. New hooks streamlining development. React 18 introduces new hooks that provide developers with more convenient and efficient ways to manage state, effects, and component lifecycles. One such hook is, which simplifies the process of generating unique IDs for elements within a component tree. This is particularly useful for accessibility purposes, ensuring that elements have unique identifiers for assistive technologies. Another notable addition is the hook. This hook is designed to work with external data sources, such as third-party state management libraries or browser APIs. It allows React components to subscribe to and synchronize with these external stores, ensuring that the UI is always up to date with the latest data. Section 9. Conclusion. The future is bright with React. React 18 marks a significant milestone in the evolution of the React library, with its focus on concurrency, automatic batching, transitions, and enhanced suspense capabilities. React 18 empowers developers to build even more performant, responsive, and user-friendly web applications. The introduction of new APIs and hooks further streamlines the development process, providing developers with the tools they need to create cutting-edge web experiences. As the web development landscape continues to evolve, React's commitment to performance, developer experience, and forward-thinking features ensures that it remains at the forefront of front-end development. By embracing these new features and enhancements, developers can unlock the full potential of React and build the next generation of web applications that are fast, fluid, and a joy to use. React 18 is not just an update. It's a testament to React's ongoing commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in web development.